In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot in the Microsoft Edge browser on your iPhone. If you'd prefer a cleaner browsing experience and want to remove the Copilot button from Edge, this is a quick setting you can change in just a moment. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. First, go ahead and open the Microsoft Edge app from your iPhone home screen. Make sure you're launching the Edge browser itself and not another Microsoft app, since this setting is found directly inside the browser. Once Edge is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open the browser menu. This is where Edge keeps many of its tools and customization options, including the setting for Copilot. After the menu opens, find the gear icon labeled Settings and tap it. This will take you into the main settings area for the Edge app, where you can adjust how the browser looks and behaves. Inside Settings, scroll down through the available options until you see Copilot. Depending on your version of the app, it may be a little further down the list, so just scroll carefully until you find it. Once you do, tap on Copilot to open its settings. Now look for the switch next to Show Copilot. To turn Copilot off, tap the toggle so it changes to the off position. This will hide the AI feature from your browser interface. If the switch is already off, then Copilot has already been disabled and you don't need to make any further changes. Once that setting is turned off, you're all set. The Copilot button will no longer appear in your Edge browser, giving you a simpler layout with fewer on-screen distractions. If you ever decide you want it back, you can return to the same settings area, open Copilot again, and turn the Show Copilot switch back on. So this change isn't permanent. It's easy to reverse whenever you want. That's it. As you can see, disabling Copilot in Microsoft Edge on iPhone only takes a few taps. Open Edge, tap the 3-line menu, go into Settings, select Copilot, and switch off Show Copilot. After that, your browser will be free of the Copilot button and ready to use the way you prefer. You